Hello students, in last class we got to know what is public relation, what are the importance of public relation and what are the functions of public relation. Today we'll take a look on what is media all about. As I said you, in public relation is all about conveying your firm's objectives, conveying your firm's operations, conveying your firm's motives, conveying your firm's upcoming project to the public, either through directly nor indirectly. Indirectly conveying the information is conveying through media. So when you will have to convey all this information to the public indirectly, there you will need a help of media. If you will have to see what media is a communication channel through which news, entertainment, education or promotional messages are disseminated. Disseminated is you are making reach your information to the public. Information is, it might be news, it might be entertainment, it might be any educational related or promo information. So media is all about a communication channel. It is a platform where you are using it to convey the messages from your side to the public. So media is a platform or it is a communication channel. Media includes broadcasting with medium like newspapers, magazines, TV, radio and internet. If we will have to take a look on what media is, it goes like this as we discussed, and the types of media is this. Types of medias are newspapers. As we all know, early morning every day we'll get a newspapers, and there are many branded leading newspapers in the market of different languages. And next is magazines, yellow pages. Yellow pages is not in a trend nowadays for a media, that is for a communication channel, but yellow pages is a traditional media, we could say here. And next is radio. These are the main medias you people all are familiar with. And next is television, and next is direct mail, and next is telemarketing, that is marketing over phones. And next is SMS marketing. SMS marketing is we often get messages, text messages to our mobiles regarding some products, and this is exactly the SMS marketing. And these are the types of media. And next very important topic is media management. As I said you, media plays a very important role in conveying messages to public about your firm's operations, motives and the upcoming projects. As it plays a very important role, you will have to carefully manage it. And for managing it, that is for managing a media, you will have these 4 steps to be fulfilled. First one is media planning. Media planning is, say for example, you being an event manager, you will have to carefully plan your company is into what, or your event is into what. Or say for example, whether your event is into celebration, whether you are into a sports event, whether it is a political event, whether it is a fundraising event, whether it is a awareness event, whether it is a promo event, whether it is a religious event, you will have to first check on it. After analyzing your event, that is what event you are conducting and what exactly you will have to convey to the public, based on this you will have to decide or plan which media suits well to convey the information what you will have to do it. Say for example, religious event, say for example Dasara is going on. Regarding some Dasaras, you will have to pass on some rules and regulations to the public. For this, obviously, you will need newspapers, television and radio. For conveying the rules and regulations in Dasara, you cannot opt for SMS marketing or telemarketing or a direct mailing. So these are the only 3 medias which is suitable. So based on the event you are organizing, based on the information you will have to convey to the public, you will have to keenly plan on what media is suitable for you. And next step is media buying. In first step, you will plan which media would be suitable for you, and second one is you will buy a same media. Buying the media is accordingly which media is suitable for. Buying goes like this. Say for example, media buying is not, it's not buying a television or it's not buying a radio. It's like you will have to buy a slots. Say for example, at what time your ad has to be played. Say for example, if your ad is played in the afternoon, that is from 11 o'clock to 4 o'clock, the cost will be very less. Why? Because afternoon is not that peak time where people watch TV. The peak time is 4 o'clock to night 10 o'clock, and you also have a morning slot, that is from morning 5 o'clock to 10 o'clock. Morning 5 o'clock to 10 o'clock, some amount of people might watch television, that is again a peak time. 11 o'clock to 4 o'clock, people watch very much less TV. Why? Because they'll be busy in their office works or household works. Evening is the highest peak slot where people watch television or listen to radio much. So these are the slots and you will have to buy it, and this is called media buying. Again, in evening, in which program your ad has to be telecasted, whether it is whether it is in a reality show you are playing, whether it is in a sports event, your sports program you are playing your media, and again cost is based on that also. Sports program and reality shows, the cost will be very much high. And if it is based on the languages also, you will have to check on the caliber of your company and you will have to buy a media slots. And third one is analyzing the media. Analyzing the media is in which language which language media you have opted for, which time you have opted for, which target group you are focusing on. All these things you will have to analyze, and at the final stage you will have to design a communication what you will have to convey. Here adjusting the communication is, when you buy a slot, it doesn't mean that you can play your ad for 10 minutes or 5 minutes. It is that you will have to play your ad just for 2 to maximum 4 minutes or 5 minutes. So you will have to adjust your communication, what and all you will have to convey to the public. You will have to adjust all that communication within the slot you have purchased, that is from 2 minutes to 5 minutes. You cannot keep on reading the communication or information what you will have to convey it. It can't go minutes together or pages together. There will be a time slot, that is from 2 to 5 minutes. You will have to adjust your communication accordingly, and this is called adjusting communication. And focusing all this and planning all this properly and fulfilling all this 4 steps successfully is together called a media management, a successful media management. And this is all about media management. Very much important question. This is for 6 marks. You will get it for section B. And next class we'll get to know what is media planning process. Today you go through what is media and what is media management. I'm stopping it today. Why? Because it is an important question and you will get it for 6 marks. Go through. If you have any doubts, please let me know.